All right, let's see what we got. Let's see if it tries to start. If so, that verifies we got a fuel issue. Alright, so it did blow the fuse. I checked it. I thought I checked it, but before I pulled the engine, I forgot I pulled the fuse out. So chop it up to a noob move. So let's see if we can get it started now. We know we have fuel. But first, let's tighten this intercooler pipe back down, since that's where I sprayed the starting fluid to verify that we are having a fuel issue. So let's go ahead and tighten this boy down. Okay, now let's see if we can get a first start going. All the oils and stuff from where we installed.